guys, today we will be talking about why we chose a Class C RV when there are so many other options out there.
So if you're looking to buy some kind of recreational vehicle, or maybe you already have one, but you're considering other options, we hope this video will be helpful for you.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
Last summer on a van life trip from North Carolina to Maine, we made the decision to ditch our house, sell everything, and buy an RV.
Very exciting decision, but there's a lot more to make because there are so many options. So we had to figure out what are the questions we have to answer so we can decide on our recreational vehicle, which happens to be this Class C motorhome.
First, let's talk about size. We thought that the Class C was a perfect mixture and happy medium between an A and a B. So it gave us the length of no more than 26 feet, which was really important to us. Not too big, not too small.
Yeah. Also, it's nimble enough to go most of the places that we want to go, compared to if we were pulling a travel trailer, driving a huge Class A, getting to some of those trailheads and whatnot, might not be in the cards for us. So it is the happy medium for us.
Right. And our friends have a Class B RV, Class B van, whatever you want to say, that they converted to live in and travel in, and we realized it was way too small for us to live in full time. So C, just right.
For sure. The next reason we chose a Class C is affordability. Class Bs are in higher demand right now. They have more expensive components. Class As are typically larger and a lot of times more expensive. So Class C it was. What did we pay for this?
We ended up having the RV listed for, I think it was $25,000, and we ended up negotiating it down to $21,500.
Not bad.
The next reason we chose it is because of maintenance.
Yeah, so Class Cs are typically on a Ford or Chevy chassis with pretty standard, V6, V8, V10 engines, which I don't know a whole lot about that, but at least it means for finding parts and getting it worked on, it should be cheaper and easier to find places who can help us.
Yeah.
Okay, another reason we love our Class C RV, in comparison to trucks and travel trailers or to trucks and truck campers, this is one unit. Okay, it's one thing, it's all together. The front is there, the back is there. There's no getting out and going elsewhere.
Where you drive is where you sleep. One of the reasons it's so convenient is because we can show up to a place late at night. I can get up and go straight into the back of the bedroom without having to get out of the vehicle at all. Or another great example is if we've pulled up to a space to sleep at night and we're sleeping and we get spooked and something freaks us out, we don't have to get out of the vehicle or our home. We just walk to the front, grab the keys, and start driving.
The last reason why this is so convenient for this to be one unit is, say we're driving, it's raining, the weather's bad, we just pull over and we're already inside.
So to wrap it all up, the 4 reasons we chose are size, affordability, maintenance, and convenience.
All right, well, thanks for watching. We love our Class C, but hey, anything that gets you on the road is awesome. So feel free to leave some comments, like the video. We want to hear from you guys, and stay tuned for more travel videos.
Bye!
See ya.